Yes, good evening, everyone. It's Wednesday, it's 9 p.m. It's paper one practice session on YouTube. So, welcome, everyone. Today, we are going to do it's a topic where you find it very difficult. Now you have caught the thing, I think. We'll be doing some maths today. Hello, everyone. Hello. Yes, welcome. Good evening, everyone. Good evening. Yeah, good evening. Yes, yes. Parisat. Yeah, you're the first one. First one. Yeah. Yes, you're the first. Hello, hello everyone. Good evening, good evening, good evening. So today we will be discussing some maths, okay, mathematical reasoning, and I decided to do the problems in the live session itself because like when we do some maths questions, it will be typed only. Now, like what I thought it will be like in the class. Okay, how it will be like. Let me explain the steps and all in the class, like in the class what I'm taking. So like you will feel like a maths class only. So but like it will be interesting. We'll cover some of the topics of mathematical reasoning only today. Yes. Can we start, guys? Yes. So it's online quiz series 23, number 23 we have. I think we have done 22 quiz series or online sessions of paper two and many more. Like we have conducted net countdown and all in the YouTube sessions. Yeah. So it will be a very useful session for you. I believe it will be a very useful session. So can we start with the first question? Can we move on? First one. Okay. A train moving at 50 kilometer per hour crosses a bridge in 45 seconds. The length of train is 150 meters. Find the length of the bridge. Okay. So we have the option 500 meter, 475 meter, 545 meter, and 525 meter. Okay. So what you want to look is here you have like basically you had a train and distance questions in the last OMR exam also. So you can believe that next exam also you'll have a what obviously you will have a train and speed question. So in train moving at 50 kilometer per hour, whenever you have a math question like word problem you have, first you should write the data given. So train moving at 50 kilometer per hour is speed. Okay, speed is given. That is speed is equal to 50 kilometer per hour. Okay. So pardon me for my handwriting because like I'm using the writing pad. Only this neatness will be there. So pardon me for that. So it crosses a bridge in 45 seconds, and the length of the train is also given is 150 meters. Now you want to know that the answer is in meter, and all the other data are also given in meters and seconds, and only the speed is given in kilometer per hour. What you want to do is you just want to convert 50 kilometer per hour into meter per second. So for that, what you want to do? Just multiply it by 5 by 18. Clear? So what will be the answer? It's like just don't go for the division and all. Just give it 250 by 18 because obviously it will be like it will get cancelled. This 18 and it will get cancelled. Okay. So it is 250 by 18 meter per second that you have. And now, what is the distance when it crosses a bridge? Okay. there is a length of the bridge that we can take as x plus. What is the length of the train? 150. So that is x plus 150. Why I took x? Because that is the length of the bridge that should be added. And what is the time? It is 45 seconds. 45 seconds. So now you have the data. What is the formula that you have is speed is equal to distance by time. Is it? So what do you have the speed? It is 250 by 18. And distance what you have is x plus 150. And what do you have as the time? It is 45 what we have. So you can just solve it. You'll get the answer for x. You can just multiply 45 there. So 250 into 45 by 18, it will be there. Okay. So that is equal to x plus 150. You're solving an equation. So basically, if you know the concept, it will be easy to crack. So 18 and 45 will get cancelled by 9. So 5 and 2. And then 2 and 250 can get cancelled by 125. So I will write the equation once more here. 125 into 5 is equal to x plus 150. And this is 625 what you have. That is equal to x plus 150. And what is x that you have? X will be obviously equal to 625 minus 150. So that you will get the answer as 475. Is the answer 475 that you got? Some of you got 545. The answer is 475. Yeah, that's correct. 475 meter. This is the explanation that you got. It is 475 meter. Okay. Yeah, that is the explanation. I think it's very clear with you. Fine. If you have queries or if you have doubts, you can share it. Now moving to the next question. The sum of money at simple interest becomes rupees 3,540 from rupees 3,000 in 3 years. Find the rate of interest. Okay. This is a question basically from the simple interest part. You should know the simple interest formula. I will give you the formula. Simple interest is equal to SI is equal to P into R into T by 100. Okay. This is the formula for simple interest. P into R into T by 100. Why I took 5 by 18 to just to convert kilometer per hour to meter per second. That it does. Okay. That is the last question. A doubt came in the chat box. Okay. So P into R into T by 100. So now just check. P is the principal amount. That means the initial amount. R is the rate. That means the rate of interest. T will be the tenure or the time period. Now you have the amount was initially 3,000 and it came to 3,540. Okay. Now just you can get the difference. That will be 540. Is it? 540 is the difference. So in 3 years, what you want to know in simple interest is the same amount is added in each year. In every year, the same amount is added in simple interest. That is not the case with the compound interest, but in simple interest, the same amount is added. So in 3 years, it becomes 540. So the interest for 1 year you can calculate as 540 just divide by 3. You can get the answer will be 180. Okay. That means 3 years, the interest is 540. That means from an amount of 3,000, it became 3,540. So just the interest is added, like 540 is interest added. And now for 1 year, what is interest added? It is 180, it is added. Okay. So the interest is 180. That so the simple interest is 180 that you can get. What is the principal amount? Initial amount was 3,000 into R, right? We need to find out into time period is 1 only, that by 100. Just you can get the answer. Yes. You can cancel the zeros. You have 180 by 30. That is equal to R. What you will get? R 18 by 3. What is R then? R is equal to 6%. Yeah. Sunanda, you got the answer 6%. Is the answer 6%? Everyone, are you doing it? I think you understood. Yes, the answer is 6% only. So that is the explanation given. You can just check. Okay. So we are moving to the next question. Third one. Find the sum of the first 35 terms of the series 17, 23, 29, 35, etc., etc., etc. So it's given. So you have the series as 17, 23, 29, 35, etc. Clear? 17, 23, 29, and 35. Okay, etc. It is going. The series is going. And now you have a formula for sum of the series or sum of any arithmetic series. You have the sum. The formula is given as sum is equal to. It is S sum. Sum is equal to. It's n by 2 into, in the bracket, it is 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Okay. Now this is a formula for the sum of a series. Okay, anything it can be sum of a series. Okay, so you just find out the formula, like just you have to have the data. What is A? A is obviously the first term of the series, that is 17. Okay, what is N? The number of terms, like how many terms now you should find out, it is 35 terms. And what is the D? That D that you have is common difference. That means you can just subtract 23 and 17 or 29 minus 23. Just the previous terms, two terms you can just subtract and you will get this 6. Okay, everywhere it is the common difference is 6. Then you can just like substitute the answer that you will get sum is equal to 35 by 2 into, in the bracket it is 2 into 17 plus 35 minus 1, 35 minus 1 into D is 6. Okay. So you have 35 by 2 into 2 into 17 is 34 that you have, plus 34 into 6. Yeah. By solving it, you will get the answer. Did you get the answer, everyone? Can you do it? Just simplify it and you will get the answer. Any answers? It's 4165. Okay, Sandha is saying it's 4165. Let us check the answer. Yeah, it's 4165 only. Okay, it is 4165 what we have. 4165. You can just solve it. It's just multiplication and addition that you have. This 4165. Yeah, guys, is it okay? So that is what we have. Okay. So that is the first 35 terms of the series. The sum is, the formula is given there. Just the data I have sorted out. That means A, that is the first term of the series. N is the number of terms. That means for how many terms you want to find the sum. D means the common difference. So 23 minus 17, you will get the common difference of 6. Or 29 minus 23. Any consecutive terms you can take and just subtract it. And you will get the common difference. So that is, the answer will be 4165. Okay. That's all. We'll go to the next question. Yeah. The average age of the committee of 10 members is 40 years. A member of age 52 retires and a new member of age 38 takes his place. What is the average age of the present committee? So it's all about the average that you have, average age, and also what, like we have discussed many questions related to the average part. Now, it is like 10 members is 40 years. So average of 10 is 40 that you have. Okay. So what will be the sum that I already, like we have discussed many times. So the sum of these 10 members, that the ages of 10 members will be equal to 40 into 10. 10. Sorry, it's 10. 40 into 10, what we have. So that is 400. Okay, the sum of ages of all the 10 is 400. Now, can you relate one thing is, a man of 52 retires, like a member, sorry, not a man, it's a member. Member retires. And a new one gets in, that is 38. So what you want to do is just take the take the subtraction or difference. That will be 14, right? 52 minus 30. That means the adjusted age is 14 only. That means 52 a member retires and also a new member of age 38 is coming in also. So the adjusted age will be only 14. So now the sum becomes, now the sum of 10 members become, sum of ages of 10 members become 400 minus 14. That means that 14 is lost. So now it will become 386. So obviously the average is equal to, 386 by 10. That is just you move 1 point, you will get 38.6. Division by 10, just examples, you can move 1 point towards the left. You'll get 38.6. This is sum of ages of 10. Okay. Sum of ages of 10. Here also sum of ages of 10 members. So you don't get confused. So average, it will be easier. You got, Anitesh, you got the answer. And Sunanda, the last question, Anand Sakari is also getting the answer, 4165. Good, Anand. Anitesh is getting 38.6. Sunanda is getting 38.6. Good. That's answer. Okay, we'll check the answer now. We'll check the answer. Yeah, it's 38.6 years. That is correct. Okay, that is question number 4. I think the explanation is also clear with you. Fine. Now we are moving to the next question. That is the 5th question. Yes, the 5th question. Again, average part. Out of a total of 10 students, the average weight of 9 students is 60 kilogram. Okay. So from that, you can get the what sum of weight of 9 students, right? 9 students, the average is 60. So if it is average is 60 there, you can get. If the weight of the 10th student is 9 kilogram, more than the average weight of all the 10 students, then the weight of the 10th student would be okay. Like it's a confusing one, but if you read the questions twice or thrice, you will get the idea. Okay. Like anyway, you have this 10 students are there, obviously 10 are there. So let the average be X. Okay. Let the average be X. Because average we don't know. Let the average be X. Okay, of the 10 students. Okay, average of 10 students be X. Let it be 10 students. Let the average of 10 students be X. Let the average of 10 students be X. Okay, equal to X. Okay, just it is students. Okay. And now, what is the average of 9 students? Average of 9 is equal to 9 students is equal to, what is the average of 9 students is equal to 9, which is 60. The 60 given. So what is the average of 9 students? We have 60. And now from that you can get the sum of that 9 students, right? The sum of the weights of 9. Sum of weight 9 students that we have is 60 into 9. What we have is 540. And now, if the weight of the 10th student is 9 kilogram more than the average weight of all 10 students. So now what we have, the average weight of the 10 students is X. So for the 10th student, so we have a 10th student, clear. And his weight is 9 more than the average weight of all 10. So average is X plus 9 what we have. Okay, that is the weight of the 10th student, clear. And now can you get, like, as it is like what we have, 540 plus this 10th student by the whole 10 gives us the X, right? That means the average of 10. So by solving it, you can get the answer 549 plus X will be equal to 10X. And when we solve the equation, we will have 9X is equal to 549 and X is equal to 549 by 9. The answer will be equal to 61. So that is 61. So yeah, now you got the answer as 61. Clear? Yeah, Anand said the answer. Anand, very good. You have done the answer. 70 kilogram. Why it's 70 kilogram? We need to know the weight of the 10th student. It is not the average that we don't want to know. Okay, average we know it is 61. That is X. So we have to have a better idea what is X. So we took X as the average of 10 students. Now, what is the weight of the 10th student is given? 10th student is X plus 9. So, right. So, X is equal to 61 plus 9. That is 70 kilogram. What we have? 70 kilogram. That is the answer. Okay. So, we'll check the answer. 70 kilogram. That's the answer for the, it's not 61. 61 is the, like 61 is also on the options. Don't click that because the question is we need the weight of the 10th student. Okay. We'll move to the next one now. Yeah. Yes, we have sixth question. If a train runs with the speed of 90 kilometer per hour, it reaches its destination by 12 minutes. Okay. How we can do that? Yeah, it is 61 plus 9. Yeah, correct, correct. Speed we have as 90 kilometer per hour. Okay. It is 90 kilometer per hour. Then the time will be T. The time it is reaches its destination by 12 minutes. Late by 12. So it will be T plus 12. Because already the actual time is T. And if it is reaches by, if it is late by 12, T plus 12. In the second case, what we have, speed is 100 kilometer per hour. Okay. Now, what is the time here? Time it is late by 2 minutes. So T plus 2. Clear? Do you get the idea of T plus and T plus 2? Because like if it's late by 12 minutes, it will be more than the time which is stipulated time. If it is earlier, it will be a time which is lesser than that. Clear? And now we'll take the formula for D. That is this D is equal to speed into time. Okay, what we have, speed is equal to distance into time. Sorry, distance by time. What we have speed is equal to distance by time. And what is distance there is equal to S into T. We can equate the distance because the distance are equal. So here the distance will be equal to 90 into T plus 12. Okay. It should be in the bracket. It is obvious that it should be in the bracket. And here it is 100 into T plus 2. You can just equate these two. So 90 into T plus 12 is equal to 100 into T plus 2. Just solve it, you will get the answer. 90T plus 1080 will be equal to 100T plus 200. That's it. And you can get 1080 minus 200 will be equal to 10T. Okay. So T will be equal to 880 by 10. That's the answer, 88. Yeah, Suranda will get the answer 88. 88 will get the answer. You can check the answer. Yeah, it's 88 only. The answer is 88. So you can just equate the distance and then get the answer. That's all. Fine. Going to the next part, we have the seventh question. Yes. The ratio of two numbers is 3:2. And the sum of their squares is 468. Find the larger number. Yeah, fine. The ratio of two numbers is 3:2. And the sum of their squares is 468. Find the larger number. Okay, you need to find the larger number. So the ratio of two numbers is 3:2. So whether if it is like, if you have the ratio, we can have the two numbers ratio. It will be obviously 3x and 2x you can have. There will be a common quantity called x. So we can write the numbers as 3x and 2x. So the sum of their squares is 3x the square plus 2x the whole square is equal to 468. It is given like that. So it is 9x square plus 4x square is equal to 468. Now, it is 13x square equal to 468. What we have? X square will be equal to 468 by 13. Okay, the answer will be 36. So x square is 36. X will be obviously 6. Okay. Just take the positive number because all the answers are positive. So x will be 6. So which will be the greater number? Obviously, the greater number will be 3x because 3 is larger. So 3x. So 3 into 6 you could do. The answer will be 18. The answer will be 18 that you have. Yeah, 18. Yeah, it's 18. Yeah, Abhirajita, you got the correct answer. Anand also got the correct answer. Sunanda, it's got the correct answer. Romy, you got the wrong answer. It's not 99. Actually, 99 is not in the option, sir. Okay. So you have 3 into 6 equal to 18. That is the answer. Yeah, fine. That is the answer. 18 is the answer. It's good. So we will move to the next question. Eighth one. The next term in the series. The next term in the series 2, 5, 9, 19, 37, etc. Okay. 2, 5, 9, 19, 37. So next term, what is the next term? You are just brilliant in like doing the what the number series, I think. 2, 5, it's 9, then 19, 37. You can find many relations with the terms. What like if I can like do one relation, like you can find out another one. So it's like if it should be correct only, and it should follow all the terms. Like to all the terms, that pattern should follow. That is the one. Like don't look for the first two terms and then decide that this will be the pattern. So decide like do it for every terms in the pattern. So it's like can you just took look at like it is into two. It is 2 into 2 plus 1. Okay. And now it is like 5 into 2 minus 1. Okay. Again, 9 into 2 plus 1. Okay. And 19 into 2 minus 1. It is going like that. So, into 2 plus 1. Into 2 minus 1. It is going like that. Okay. 2 into 2 plus 1. 5 into 2 minus 1. So, obviously, what will be the next term? It is like into 2 plus 1. So, 37 into 2 plus 1 will be the answer. 37 into 2 plus 1. So, that is 74 plus 1. The answer is 75. Abhirajita, you got the answer 75. Anitesh, is it 73? It's plus 1, not minus 1. It's plus 1. We'll check for the answer. Yes. 75. Yeah, that we have 75. Good, good. Great going, guys. Now we'll go for the next question. A car is moving at a speed of 45 kilometer per hour. How much time will the car take to cover the distance of 1 by 4 of a kilometer? Okay. Now the speed is given in 40 like kilometer per hour. Distance is 1 by 4 of a kilometer. Now the answer is given in seconds. So obviously we should convert all these things to meter per second. So speed. So speed is given as 45 kilometer per hour. What we want to do to meter per second into 5 by 18 into 5 by 18. So just you have 45 into 5 by 18. Just let it be there. So 45 into 5 by 18. Let it be there. Okay. Just don't multiply and all. It will get cancelled. And you have the distance. You have the distance as 1 by 4 kilometer. So it will be 1 by 4 into 1000 to convert it to meter. So that will be 1000 by 4. It is 250 meter. Okay. Now you have the formula speed is equal to distance by time. And what will be time? You need to find the time. Time will be equal to distance by speed. You have distance by speed. What is the distance? 250 meter by 45 into 5 by 18. 18 will go up. Okay. So 250 into 18 by 45 into 5. Okay, now you can just cancel it by 9. It will be 2, it will be 5. You'll get the answer 5 and get the answer is 125. No, it is 50 there. We'll get 5 will cancel. It is 10 there. You'll get the answer as 20. 20 seconds. Yes, 20 seconds. Avarajava, you are getting the answer. Anand is also getting the answer. 20 seconds. Yeah, it's 20 seconds. Great. We can check the answer now. 20 seconds that you have. Great. Okay. So we'll move to the next question now. Question number 10. Okay. A sum of rupees 53 is divided among A, B, and C. Okay. So we have A, we have B, and we have C. In such a way that A gets rupees 7 more than what B gets, and B gets rupees 8 more than what C gets. Okay. So it is a little bit a confusing statement, but when you think, like when you read the question twice or thrice, you will get the answer. So first statement, we can get that A plus B plus C is 53. Okay. So all of them, when you add the amount, it will be 53 only. Now, first statement, then the second one, A gets 7 more than what B gets. Okay. A is equal to just B plus 7. Can I get like that? That is the first equation. Okay. Let it be like that. And B gets 8 more than what C gets. So it is C plus 8. That is second one. But I need to take all the terms in terms of B, all the variables in terms of B. So let us take C as C is equal to B minus 8 from this equation. That will be equation number 2. And now you can substitute A, B, C, like A you have as B plus 7. Okay. B you can put like B itself. C you have B minus 8. You can just substitute all I'm substituting it. Okay, 53. And now 3B minus 1 is equal to 53 that you will get. 3B will be is equal to 54. That is 54, 3 plus 1. B will be equal to 54 by 3. That will be 18. Okay, B is 18. If B is 18, what will be A? A will be obviously will be equal to 18 plus 7 you have. That is 25. What will be C? That is 18 minus 8 that you have 10. So the ratio will be 25 is to 18 is to 10. That you have the ratio. Yes, Abhiraja, you got the answer. 25 is to 18 is to 10. Great. That is the answer that we have. Yes. Great going, guys. So I think this was useful for you because all these formulas, these were discussed in our class, in the paper one classes. These all formulas, like when you ask our students, it is being discussed. And so for that, we are starting a paper one dedicated course for the 6-month net, like the coming December net. We are starting a paper one dedicated course only for paper one. So if you need that on the paper one, all 10 topics will be covered in a holistic manner. It will be covered all maths, data interpretation, teaching aptitude, all it will be covered. Like by different faculties, it will be taken. Maths, data interpretation, teaching, all the specialists will be taking the subjects. So if you want to join, like contacting the number. And I think it was a useful session for you because like I took mathematical reasoning. I thought of doing it in the live session because like it will be useful. Or if you check the video once again, you can study from that. Like if I am typing it, that like maybe some steps will be missing, you cannot follow that. So if I explain it by writing, it will be very useful. That is what I thought doing a live session on that. So guys, next week also we'll be having a paper one practice and study well. You have the exam, like the retest re-exam on August towards the last. So study hell. We'll do it well in the coming exam. So thank you all. Good night. Bye bye.